C3 tutorial. I'm here to teach you guys on how to restore your system on system restore. You guys should be thinking about what is system restore, but it's just simple to restore your system from any drivers that have affected your system, that you don't like the drivers at all. Just restore your system from that date you put the drivers. It won't cost you anything. It won't delete your pictures, it won't delete any app on your system. Just restore the system drivers only from the date you install the drivers. So let's start. Stay tuned. I'm going to go to the Windows setup, the start button. I'll click on it. Then I'm going to go to search program files. Then I'll input system restore. You see it? Then I click on it. We go to next. Then you see the time, the date, and the description. Let's go to back. You see what's written here. System restore does not affect any of your documents, picture, or other personal data. Recently installed program and drivers might be uninstalled. You see it? So you click on next. Then it will show you, go to show more restore points. It will show you all the drivers you have installed, and you choose the one that you don't like or the one that has affected your system. You see it? Then after that you click on it, then click on next. Then it will restore your system from the time and date your system, the drivers will stop working on your system. You see? Then I'll click on next. Then click on finish. Then it will restore your system automatically. Thanks for watching.